Okay, let's see the food for your drink orders. May wine. Receipt to the counter. Ay, favorite ko to. Baba ganoush din. Favorite ko yan. Hummus. Lalo na to, favorite ko yan. We're gonna try it later. Okay. Bread. Donut. Pandan cake. Peanut butter. Bread. Toaster. Okay, cereals. Ice gems. Masarap yan ng bata ako eh. Okay, this one. Tubig, coffee, Coke, orange juice, fruits, nachos. Ay, ang galing, may nachos sila. Okay, spring rolls, nuggets, chicken nuggets. Uy, may ice cream din. Baka Mingo to. Ay, hindi, Magnolia. Magnolia pala. And then we have, syempre, rice cooker. May rice. Tapos, salad area. So, may dressing, olives, corn, beets, tomatoes. Okay. And then we also have what's inside. Pasta. This one masarap yun. Sorry. Okay. We're good. Okay, so our first plate with orange juice. Okay. Salad. Ice cream with Bacardi rum. Hindi yan tubig mga ka-shop na Bacardi. I'm gonna try. Saan kaya? Mas na kaya yung sasalubong sa akin?